Caleigh completed her Gold Award in honor of her grandpa, who she lost 4 years ago to cancer. With treatment rooms being kept so cold, she realized cancer warriors needed lap blankets to keep warm. Caleigh taught the members of the Lemon Bay High School Key Club how to make the blankets and arranged for the Englewood Area Cancer Foundation to be the ongoing recipient. Through her community presentations and online presence, she's reached people as far as Rhode Island who want to help.
For my project, I made lap blankets for local cancer patients in my area. We donated them to the Cancer Foundation, which they supplied them to them. More than a few years ago, my grandfather passed away from cancer, and he said it was always cold, so I decided to help. I hope that they see this project and see that it doesn't have to be something real big, that it just has to make someone happy. It made me feel like I could actually do something, that I was able to accomplish what I wanted to and to help others. I'm Caleigh Cabral, and I'm a Gold Award Girl Scout.